Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explore. My name is Usman and this is the part number 6 of complete cross-flow turbine in SolidWorks. So in previous video we have made all these components which are related to the runner of the cross-flow turbine, and today from this video we are going to make all these parts which are related to the casing of the turbine. First of all, we have this side plate, and total three these type of plates will be used. This one side, this one mid, and this one the other side. If you miss any dimension on this view, you can also find that dimension on this view. In the SolidWorks, first of all, draw a sketch on the right plane by using center rectangle and draw it from origin. Then add two circles, one like this and another like this, and then define the total width of this plate, which is 810 millimeter, and total height is 708 millimeters. Diameter of this circle is 500 millimeters, and this circle has the diameter of 85 millimeters. From here this circle is 405 millimeters apart, and from top this circle is 353 millimeters apart. From here this circle is 93.5 millimeters away, and from top this circle is 205.5 millimeters away. Our sketch is now fully defined. We can extrude this sketch up to 60 millimeters. Next we have to make some threaded holes here on this circular edge. So for that, click on hole wizard command and search for M14 threaded holes. So first of all, select straight tab, then from here search for M14, and here it is. Scroll down again and check this option, cosmetic threads, and then with thread call out. Then click on positions tab and then click on this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 key for this view orientation, and then draw a circle like this. Check this option for construction geometry and then select this circle and this circular edge and make them concentric. After that, define the diameter of this circle, and it would be the PCD of all those holes, 540 millimeter. Then draw a center line and make sure you are not going to select the origin. You have to select the center point of the circle vertically like this. After that, draw another center line from same location like this. Then define the angle between both these lines, and it is 7.3 degree, and then drop a point on the circular edge. Then select this point and this line, make them coincident. After that, press this button to continue, and now we have to make the circular pattern. So for that, from here select circular pattern, and for features and faces select this circle and select this direction box, and then select this circular edge. Type here the quantity, which is 12, and then press OK button. Once again we have to make some holes here. So again click on hole wizard command, and this time we have to make the M10 threaded holes. So from size select M10, and end condition is through all. Then click on positions button and then select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8 key and then draw a circle from the center point of this circle. Select this option for construction geometry and then define the diameter of this circle, which is 115 millimeters. Then draw two center lines like this. Define the angle between them, which is 17 degree. Then drop a point on this circle. Select this point and this line, make them coincident. Now press OK button to continue. Once again select the circular pattern and type here the quantity, which is 4, and then for direction 1 select this circular edge and then press OK button. This part is done. Now we can save this. Next thing is that we have to make this mid wall, and it does not have these holes, also these holes, so we have to remove those holes. For that we can copy paste. Here is the folder where I am saving all the files of this project, and this is the side plate which we have just made on SolidWorks. I have copied it on desktop and then renamed it to Midplate. Now I am going to paste it here, this one. Now open it, Midplate, and we have to remove these holes. For that, first of all, right click on M10 and then delete them. Similarly, right click on M14 tabbed hole and delete them. So this is how we have also made the mid plate. This is the side dish, and then we have this cover for trash remove from the casing. If you want to get this PDF, then you can comment below your email address. I will send this PDF to your email. If I'm not responding to your comment, then maybe YouTube is hiding your comment because of email address. Then simply type your name in the comment and send me an email with the screenshot of this video. So I will send you this PDF in reply. This time sketch on front plane. First of all, draw a center rectangle on origin and define the width, which is 250 millimeters, and height of this rectangle is 400 millimeters. Go to features tab and from there use extruded boss base command, and extrusion thickness is 15 millimeters. Now we have to make some holes here, so for that click on hole wizard command here and select this type of hole, simple hole, and then scroll down from type, select drill sizes, and the drill size is 12 millimeters. So from here select 12 millimeters and condition is through all. Then click on positions button and then select this face. Press Ctrl+8 for normal to view orientation and then drop a point somewhere here. Define the distance of this point from the bottom, which is 14 millimeters. I have modified the locations of these holes, so don't follow the PDF for these holes. Okay, and then the location from here is 13 millimeters. Now press this button to save and continue. Then we have to make a linear pattern. So click on linear pattern and for direction 1 select this line, for direction 2 select this line, and if you can see the arrow is on this direction and here the arrow is on this direction. For both we have to reverse the direction, so for direction 1 click on this button for reverse the direction. Similarly click on this button to reverse the direction. Then for this side we have the quantity 7, and for this side we have the quantity 5. For this side we have the distance of 62 millimeters, so type here 62, and for this side we have the distance 56 millimeters. Now we have to remove these holes which are inside this plate. So for that scroll down and if you can see here instances to skip, click on this button and then click on this box. After that select all these points to remove them and then press OK button. Next thing is that we have to make a very small hole here, maybe 5 millimeters. It actually depends on the specification of the pressure gauge which you are going to use. So click on this face and then sketch on it, draw a circle on origin and define the diameter of this circle, which is 5 millimeters, and then go to features and from there use extruded cut command, and the extrusion thickness is up to through all. Then press OK button. After that once again click on this face and then sketch on it, and then draw two circles, one like this and another like this. of this outer circle 25 millimeters, and inner circle has the diameter maybe 12 millimeters. Basically this thing, it depends on the specification of the pressure gauge which you are going to use on this plate. So click on features tab, and then use extruded boss base command, and extrusion thickness is up to 25 millimeter, and then press OK button. Now we have done this part as well. Now we can save this part. Okay, next we have the similar item which is also used to remove the trash. Let me show you. We have made this one. Now we are going to make this one, and I'm not going to make it in front of you because the length of the video will be very long. Then we have next this curved plate. So these are the two curved plates, one this one and the other is this one. On the right plane, sketch, make a sketch, and then draw a line like this. Then draw a 3-point arc like this, and then draw another line like this. After that, select this line and this arc, make them tangent. Similarly, once again draw a center line like this. Now select this center line and this arc and make them tangent. Now define the total length, which is 810 millimeters. This line has the length of 396.5 millimeters. Arc has the radius of 250. From here, the center of the arc is 413.5 millimeters. This line is 433 millimeters. Now select the center point of the arc and the origin and make them coincident. Our sketch is now fully defined. Now we can go to features tab, and from there use extruded boss base command. And the SolidWorks automatically turned on the thin feature option, and the extrusion of this wall or this plate is 15 millimeters. So type here 15 millimeters, and make sure the direction of the thickness is below this line. And then from here drop down this option and select mid plane. Type here the total length, which is 746 millimeters, and then press OK button. Next thing is that we have to make a rectangular cut here for the trash cover. So sketch on this face and then press Ctrl+8 for normal to view orientation, and then draw a corner rectangle like this. Then define the width of the rectangle, which is 200 millimeters, and the total length of the rectangle is 350 millimeters. From here, from this side, the rectangle is 198 millimeters away, and from bottom side it is 116.5 millimeters. Then go to features tab, and from there use the extruded cut command and cut it through all this part, then press OK button. Next thing is that we have to make the holes, threaded holes here according to the this trash cover. So click on the hole wizard command here, and then select this type of hole, straight tab, scroll down, and from here select the M10, end condition is through all, and then click on the positions button tab, and then select this face and then press Ctrl+8 key for normal to view orientation. Then draw a corner rectangle like this. Basically I am going to make the outer all these threaded holes according to the holes of trash cover. So this would be the size of the trash cover, and the total width is 400 millimeters and height is 250 as according to the cover. Then select the center point of this line and also select the center point of this line, and make them horizontally aligned. Similarly, select the center point of this line and also the center point of this line. Make them vertically aligned. Now drop a point somewhere here, and the distance from this side, from the point is 14 millimeters, and the distance from here it is 13 millimeter. Now simply press this button to continue. Now we have to make the linear pattern, so for that click on the linear pattern command, and for direction 1 select this line, and for direction 2 select this line, and we have to reverse the direction for the direction 2 like this. Okay, now the distance on this side, as according to that trash cover which was 62, so here is 62 and the quantity is 7. On this side the distance is 56 millimeter and the quantity is 5. Now scroll down and then drop down this option instances to skip, and select this box and then select all these points, and then press OK button to continue. So we have done this part as well. Now similarly we can make, we just have made this one A, curved plate A, and now we will make the curved plate B by the same way. I mean also skipping this part as well. For now I think this is enough for today's video. Inshallah in the next video we will make rest of these parts. So keep watching this video series till end, and I hope you are enjoying and learning from this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time.